Well, good morning, Northern Michigan, from your National Weather Service right here in Gaylord. Welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for Northern Lower and East Upper Michigan. Today is Sunday, the 21st of April, 2013. Take a look at our hazards. There is one that is still ongoing, that is elevated river levels occurring across parts of Northern Michigan. They'll be mainly through this morning and primarily affecting the Manistee and Rifle River basins where some localized flooding is occurring. However, those rivers are expected to fall below flood stage as we go through the daylight hours today. Now we'll also have to be on the lookout for additional elevated river levels as we head through the midweek period as another round of rain overspreads the region. However, it's quiet and cold right now. As you can see, expansive area high pressure center right across northern Michigan. This has led to clear skies and light winds, combined with a very dry air mass, has allowed temperatures early this morning to already fall well into the teens and lower 20s. And those readings should continue to fall, perhaps to record levels for some areas in the upper single digits and teens by the time sunrise occurs later on this morning. Now looking off well to the west, you can see some disorganized areas of low pressure back across the Intermountain West into the high plains, kicking off a little bit of precip into the central plains. This will be our next weather maker of interest as we head through the beginning of the work week into the midweek period. You can see here by Monday evening an elongated cold front from James Bay all the way down to the desert southwest, with several weak areas of low pressure riding northeast along it. Now the slow movement of the system, combined with those areas of low pressure and an increasing feed of Gulf of Mexico moisture, will once again kick off a rather an extensive period of rain, which should slide into the area beginning later tonight across eastern upper Michigan and then slowly advance east throughout the remainder of the area by the time Monday night and Tuesday night comes around. You can see total rainfall amounts from that system on the order of 3/4 to 1.5 inches across much of northern lower Michigan. As it looks now, though, the heaviest rain will occur across the western sections of upper Michigan and off to our south, and this is rainfall totals right through Saturday. However, most of this rain once again will fall in the beginning and middle portions of the week, and that rainfall combined with already pretty high river levels may result in some additional flooding concerns as we get through the midweek period. Taking a look at our weather graphic today, high clouds on the increase, high and mid-level clouds, considerably warmer than what the temperatures were yesterday, with readings well into the 40s. However, these still are a good 5 to 10 degrees below normal for this time of year. Any rain should hold off until later tonight, and that will only be across eastern upper Michigan. Recapping those hazards, once again today, some elevated river levels and localized flooding through this morning on the Manistee and Rifle River. And then no other hazardous weather is expected through the period. However, we will have to monitor the river levels once again as we head through the midweek period with additional rain expected. Now this concludes the hazardous weather briefing for this morning. Thanks again for taking the time to listen. The next update is expected around 5 p.m. this afternoon.